Hello students, today we are going to start our next chapter from Unit 2 Geography part, our environment. So the word environment is derived from the French word environ, which means surrounding. The sum total of our surroundings and their present condition is known as environment. So the total sum of surroundings and their present condition is known as environment. So what a surrounding consists? Surrounding consists of natural and man-made sources. In natural sources, it comes physical and biological, and so we will understand further about all these things: natural, physical, biological, and man-made sources. Also, by a picture, we can understand our environment. As in this picture, we can see components of our environment: natural, human made, all these things. And in natural, it comes land, that is denoted by lithosphere, air, atmosphere, water, hydrosphere. So we will study all these things in this chapter. So now, what is physical environment? Physical environment. Physical environment includes abiotic factors like mountains, plain, soils, climate, sunshine, rainfall, thunderstorms, earthquakes, etc. All these things comes under physical environment. Biological environment. Biological environment comprises all living organisms, including bacteria, all types of plants, animals, and human beings from the biological environment. So all types of plants, animals, and human beings form the biological environment, and all the living things comes under biological environments. So what are the domains? What are the domains of physical environment? The physical environment is broadly categorized into 4 domains that are lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. All these domains comes under physical environment. So in further, physical environment is categorized into 4 domains. It is divided into 4 parts. So that is lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. So what is lithosphere? Lithos means stone. Therefore, lithos is the zone of rocks. The topmost part of the lithosphere is the Earth's crust on which we live. Earth's crust. As we can see here, an image of Earth. So we can see the topmost part, that is our Earth crust on which we live, that is lithosphere. It is divided into 2 parts. So lithosphere is also further divided into 2 parts, that is continental crust and oceanic crust. continental crust and oceanic crust. So, what is continental crust? So, continental crust consists of granite, rocks, rich that is rich in silica Si and aluminium Al or Cl. So, that is continental crust. What is oceanic crust? Oceanic Oceanic crust comprises of rocks rich in silica Si and magnesium Ma called sima. So, in oceanic crust that consists of silica Si and magnesium Ma called that is sima. So, the lithosphere provides the base on which all human activities take place. Lithosphere is our base on which human activities take place. This includes soil which play such a vital role in agriculture. It is also source of minerals including fossil and fuels. So it is a source of minerals including fuels. All these things is can be taken out from lithosphere. So today we learned about the first domain of our physical environment. So as we know, there are mainly four domains of our physical environment, that is lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. So in for the next session we will learn further about all these domains briefly. So students, your homework is to read this chapter line by line and try to understand what this chapter is saying, and also we will learn further. And do not forget to subscribe my channel as you are watching my channel in YouTube. So definitely subscribe my channel so that you can get more videos from my side and from school side. So have a nice day ahead. See you very soon.